This is the WJTS News. In the news tonight, Governor Holcomb issues stay-at-home order. First case of COVID-19 in Dubois County. Kirk Guxell will be in with sports. All this and more coming up on 18 WJTS TV News. Good evening. I'm Jenna Schaffer with the news. Governor Eric J. Holcomb delivered a statewide address today to order that Hoosiers remain in their homes except when they are at work or for permitted activities, such as taking care of others, obtaining necessary supplies, and for health and safety. The order is in effect from March 25th to April 7th. The first positive case of COVID-19 in Indiana was reported on March 6th. Since then, the number of positive cases has increased on a nearly daily basis, escalating as the capacity to test has grown. As of this morning, on Monday, the number of tests completed in Indiana is 1,960. The number of positive cases is 259, and 7 deaths have been reported. Beginning Tuesday, all state government offices will be closed to in-person public activity until at least April 7th. This includes the Government Center Complex in Indianapolis and other offices throughout the state, including Bureau of Motor Vehicle branches. State employees will work remotely whenever possible and continue to provide core functions online and by phone. All public safety functions will continue. In conjunction with the closures, Governor Holcomb ordered an automatic extension of all state-issued licenses and will advise law enforcement to refrain from issuing citations for a driver's license or registration that expires during this emergency. The state, in conjunction with the city and all hospital systems in Marion County, has activated a comprehensive emergency operations center to maximize hospital capacity and provide joint coordination. The center is charged with tracking the inventory of all hospital beds, supplies, and personnel as the number of COVID-19 patients grows. More information can be found on our website at WJTS.tv. Indiana Department of Health announced Sunday morning the first presumptive positive case of COVID-19 in Dubois County. The patient is in isolation. No additional information about the patient will be released due to privacy laws. Dubois County Health Department is working closely with the local and state officials to ensure that contacts of the patient are identified and monitored and that all infection control protocols are being followed. The Dubois County Health Department has been expecting this and is prepared to respond. They ask residents to be calm and focus on doing their part to mitigate the spread of this virus. The Dubois County Health Department's highest concern is for the health and well-being of everyone in the county. Remember, human coronavirus is most commonly spread from an infected person to others through respiratory droplets released into the air by coughing and sneezing, close personal contact, such as touching or shaking hands, touching an object or surface with the virus on it, then touching your mouth, nose, or eyes before washing your hands, and rarely fecal contamination. The best way to protect yourself from any respiratory illness, including the flu, is to wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water are not available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Avoid close contact within 6 feet with people who are sick. Stay home when you are sick. Cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue, then throw the tissue in the trash. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. The CDC does not recommend that people who are well wear a face mask to protect themselves from respiratory illnesses, including COVID-19. You should only wear a mask if a healthcare professional recommends it. A face mask should be used by people who have COVID-19 and are showing symptoms to protect others from the risk of infection. The Dubois County Health Department is now closed to the public. As the situation of COVID-19 continues to change rapidly, the Dubois County Health Department says that their top priority remains for the health, safety, and well-being of the community. Due to the public health emergency, the Dubois County Health Department is devoting all of their resources to COVID-19 pandemic response. All birth and death certificates must be submitted by mail or to vitalcheck.com. Also, in response to the COVID-19 pandemic, the Dubois County Health Department continues to develop strategies to help prevent the spread within the community. Some of these strategies include limiting community interaction in close quarters situations. By nature, many business operations require close person-to-person contact. In an effort to limit close person-to-person contact, the Dubois County Health Department are asking for voluntary closure of all non-essential retail businesses as soon as possible. All non-essential retail businesses includes, but is not limited to, nail salons, spas, cosmetology, barbershops, liquor stores, body art, tattoo establishments, tanning salons, massage and acupuncture establishments, electronic stores, department stores, hobby and craft stores, automotive dealerships, furniture stores, clothing stores, retail stores, and any other in-person retail businesses. This does not prohibit the operation of essential retail business. Essential retail business includes, but is not necessarily limited to, healthcare facilities, pharmacies, facilities that sell food products, gas stations, auto repair shops, including automotive dealership repair operations, factories, hardware stores, telecommunications stores, and other essential retail. This does not prohibit the operation of drive-through, takeout, curbside, and delivery services, provided that social distancing at least 6 feet away from other people and limiting gatherings to fewer than 10. The Dubois County Health Department understands this will have an impact on the community and encourage all retail businesses that can close to do so. Dubois County Health Department wants to remind the public that COVID-19 is spreading in the state of Indiana, and everyone needs to do their part to help prevent its spread. They say the better the public does at preventing the spread, the less impact it will have long term. The department says that they intend to be proactive, not reactive to the ongoing public health pandemic. There are now 7 reported deaths related to COVID-19 in Indiana. The deaths have taken place in Allen County, Delaware County, Johnson County, County of Marion, and Scott counties. In total, the state has 259 positive cases of COVID-19 and 1,960 people have been tested. The Greene County Health Department reports there is not a confirmed case of coronavirus in the county as the state originally reported. The health department reported to Greene County General Hospital that it was a reporting error from the state and that the ISDH confirmed that there is not a confirmed case. This test was not conducted in Greene County. GCGH did not test this individual, and this individual was not tested in Greene County. The state also removed Greene County from the case from their official website. The Indiana Department of Workforce Development, or the DWD, will host 2 live webinars for Hoosiers impacted by the COVID-19 crisis. The 30-minute live programs will be held at 10:30 a.m. on Tuesday, March 24th, and at 3 p.m. on Wednesday, March 25th. The program will cover unemployment eligibility requirements, the formula and amounts determined by Indiana state statute for benefit amounts, frequently asked questions, and how to apply for benefits. The number of attendees on live will be limited to the first 500 who are online for each event. Up to 5,000 can register for each of the 2. The program will be recorded and made available to all who register. Once recorded, the program will then be posted on the special landing page established by DWD, which is in.gov/DWD/19.htm. To register, visit on.in.gov/UI2020. The Mid-States Corridor Project Office will temporarily close to the public as part of the nationwide effort to stop the spread of COVID-19. The office, located in the administration building on the Vincennes University Jasper campus, will close today on Monday and reopen when the current health situation allows. Today, on Monday, is also the final day responses are being accepted to the screening report questionnaire. The questionnaire can be completed on the project website or by going directly to midstates.questionpro.com. Project team members will also be available to accept completed questionnaires in person. They'll be located outside the project office from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. today. People can drive through and drop off completed questionnaires. The project team can be reached online at info@midstatescorridor.com or by phone. You can call 812-482-3116. Mail can still be sent as well. Send it to Mid-States Corridor Project Office, Vincennes University Jasper Campus, Administration Building, Room 216, Jasper, Indiana 47546. The project team will work to accommodate individual meetings by phone or at another location. Appointments can be requested by phone or by email. A comment form is also available on the project website. The website, midstatescorridor.com, is updated on a regular basis. It includes several maps and links to all materials from the public meetings held in February. The Spring Medication Collection Day in Dubois County, originally scheduled for April 25th, has been canceled. Once the Drug Enforcement Administration announces their date for the fall collection, that information will be released to the local community. Although the Huntingburg and Jasper police stations have accepted pharmaceuticals 24/7 in their drop boxes, located at 503 East 1st Street and 309 East 6th Street respectively, they recommend calling ahead to ensure that service is available. Although they fully expect a fall collection day to be announced, residents may call Rachel Trabant with TRICAP at 812-482-2233 or Carla Striegel-Winter with Dubois County Solid Waste Management District at 812-482-7865 with questions or concerns. We'll take a look at your weather forecast when we come back right here on 18 WJTS.